Hey guys, I was asking for a headlight change and I couldn't get much answer, and online there weren't too many video. So but I did find one video that was pretty helpful, and I want to add to that video. I'm no close expert on doing any car stuff, but this is okay. It wasn't that bad. First of all, this whole thing just pop up by clips, and at the bottom of here there's this clip on Tesla website service manual. They say this should be replaced, but I think I will use it. So this just all pop out, and there's a sensor, be careful on there. And here there is two 10 mil bolt that mount the last piece of the bottom piece of the trim, and then this just pop up one of those black thing here, this guy here. So it's holding right there, just pop it up, and then I find it much easier if you just do pop up all these from the liner, so you can actually pull this down. There is one T20 bolt that holding these pieces, and when you put your hand in here you can feel it right here. It's a short distance that you can work on, so find a stubby to unscrew it. When you unscrew with proper force, you can pop this out, and this way this pops out. Here you have to remove the bumper, one of the 10 mil bolt here, to have these parts removed as well. Holding on the lights, there were I remember 4 or 5 10 mil, one being right here. So that's why you have to remove this this part of the trim. And there were one, I remember, right up here. There were one that goes right here. So you'll be able to access when you take out this tube here. I was hoping I didn't have to take it out, but at the end I have to. So there were one that right here. There are a couple there to mount it, and only one plug to unplug. I brought my lights on eBay. Apparently they're brand new, and I thought it was around $500 Canadian. So I got this. Now I'm trying to install it back. I will see how it goes and let you guys know, but so far has been not too bad. Okay, the light that I purchased didn't come with this clip. This clip I used my old car. It's only held by one T20 screw to clip onto this bumper clip here. So beware of that. If your new light didn't come with this piece is just coming off right here. It was mounted right here. It goes on the side. So transfer this piece if it didn't have it.